Are you on the hunt for the perfect all-wheel drive vehicle with superior functionality and comfort? Well, you've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2016 Nissan Rogue SV in Arctic Blue Metallic. With fully automatic headlamps, turn signal indicator mirrors, steering wheel mounted audio controls, front bucket seats, power driver's seat, Nissan Connect radio, backup camera, dual zone temp controls, split folding rear seats, rear seat center armrest, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 2957B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.